Hi friends, let me show you this new UZW wallet that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a great unit that you can even use with your Airtag to locate it. As you can see, the box itself is beautiful. You can use it as a gift and the package is perfect for it. Let me show you, this is a black one. It looks nice, it looks elegant. The Airtag mode is here. You have an ID holder here, so you can show it fast. You can put up to 10 cards here and some other pockets for different uses. Let me show you. Let's try it. First, I'm going to put my Apple ID, my Apple AirTag here. You can see it looks great. Okay, it went with the wallet. You could have a card here. Also, you could have a picture ID here, like your driver license, if you want, or your business ID or whatever. Okay, you have another pocket here for another card, or here you could put some money, like this. Another card here. Okay, and your actual credit cards or plastic cards could go here. Okay, let me show you. You close it like this, and it fits perfect in your pocket or in your pants pocket. If you need your credit cards, you can just do this to get them out. You can put up to 10 here and get the one you need. Okay, so I think it's a nice wallet. You can close it easily. You can put more cards in the back. It depends on what kind of cards you like to bring with you or what kind of information you need to bring with you. The kind of cards that you can put in all the pockets of the wallet. Okay, so if you need a new wallet, if you want to give it as a gift and you like the option to have the Apple AirTag so you can locate your wallet, this is a great option with plenty of pockets for all your card needs. Thank you.